Hello my people, una day, una good afternoon, una good evening, una good morning from Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. My brothers and sisters, maybe some of una don still see this video. I just see this video, the something just get as e be. I just dey look and say, wetin dey happen for this video? The time wey I just dey look am, because I never understand wetin dey go on. I'll put the video now, still watch am. So I come dey say, why dem come put handcuff for this our black boy hand? Wetin he do? I no know maybe e fit be na Africa boy. Now I say, wetin he do? Abi e get wetin he do? I see say dem dey, because I come dey watch the video. Wetin surprise me, na I wan tell una so. As I come dey watch the video, now I come say dem dey video am, but the boy dey just stand, he put the hand for back. I never even know wetin dey go on as I dey watch the video. Now later now I come dey see say person wey dey video come dey quarrel say, how una go handcuff person? Una say make e put him hand for back. Una dey search am whether e get anything for e body, for a bag. And na three of dem na dey waka dey go. Two na black, one na white. Why e come be say na the two na dem come put handcuff for im hand? The white one dem no put handcuff. Na the person wey dey video now see am, e come turn come go show the other one. That one come dey quarrel say this kind thing no good. Three of dem dey waka, una wan search dem. Why e come be say na two wey be black una come put handcuff for im hand? The white one una leave am. Me, I no know whether na so dem dey do am for London. I no know whether na so dem dey do am for that side because I no know, because na that side na it for happen. This kind thing no good, because me, I no know some as I take talk am. If I come say racist now, dem come say hey, maybe not, because this one for me we three of us go dey waka dey go, na one search us. Okay, problem no dey. You no tell, normally dem no suppose to put handcuff for your hand. No be say dem wan arrest you. Even sometimes when dem wan arrest you sef, when dem wan arrest person, dem no dey put handcuff. When dem see say you come dey do one kind, you wan follow dem drag, na dem dey put handcuff. This one just stand, dem dey search am. Dem put handcuff, dem put for im hand, for im back hand. E stand, dem dey search am. Dem leave the white one, just dey do like normal person. No, this, oh God, our leader, God go punish them. See the thing wey we dey people dey suffer for this abroad wey we dey. Because of say you be black, because of say that color don dey, because of say you be black, see wetin dem do. Three of dem na dey waka. Two of dem wey be black, dem put handcuff, dem dey search am. And the boy stand, no be say he follow dem drag, nothing. Because maybe if you dey follow dem drag, na dem will put handcuff for your hand. Person wey dey video, that one even dey talk to dem. Be like say dem dey reply that one say dem put handcuff because of say korokoro dey. If korokoro dey, you put handcuff say you wan search me. Why you no put for the white person hand, the other one hand wey be, since na three of dem dey waka dey go? E no go better for our leader, because na dem cause am. Dem don see us finish. Dem don see us finish. If dem see black, the way dem take do black, no be so, no be all oyibo. Some of dem dey very bad, dem dey very wicked. Dem get that, I no know as I take talk and say go your country, here no be your country. Na so some of dem dey do. Some of dem dey do like that, say here no be your house, go your house, leave our house for us. How you want? Okay, three of us dey waka dey go, because of say that one na your color, you can't separate that one. Me wey no be your color, you can't put handcuff, you leave the other one as normal person. Put handcuff for person hand, e be like say na criminal. You wan search am, you just put handcuff, you put for im hand. Now watch how me, I no know whether na so dem dey do am for London because no be so dem dey do am for here. At least if the police stop you, you wait. You say you wan search you, okay, e free to search you. So far, make you no drag with am, because if you come dey drag with am, that means something dey with you. They go put handcuff because you wan drag with them. They think say you wan follow them fight. But this one no be like that. Now white person na the video, na they talk about this, say one na go do one like this, that one na leave am normal. This one because of say of the color, una put hand up. Me I put the video for that mona see my brothers and sisters. I just see and the thing just vex me. I just dey look and say this one and this one, why una go dey behave like that? If person come dey talk say una be racist now, they will come say no, you dey abuse them, you dey curse them, you dey do this one. Some of them they not good anyway. Some of them they not good because they just say that color, they just they do one kind. No, you may you go this side because we not need you. We have to treat you like this. Then the other one we go treat them better. It's not good. We all are the same. It no matter the color. Now the same blood, now they flow for our vein. I don't know because maybe London people, those people na so they do for their side. But me, I don't know. I never go there, so I know if it talk. But the one when me see, so it's very bad. It's very bad. You know, separate person treat am as if say na criminal just because of you want such person. Because normally ogbalegbe, if he just tell you say stop, I want because they get the right. Say I want just check whether something dey with you. Okay, treat me as you want to treat the other person. Not treat me as this as if you say maybe I get something or maybe I be I be criminal or something like that. No, you don't treat people like that. Now make some of our black then they fight all these people. You go say why you go treat me like that? They want fight for their rights. Why you go treat me like that? Treat me as you want to treat the other one. Why you go treat me bad? You go treat that one good. Why? Now make some of them they fight them. I still they understand because they treat them bad. They will treat them like say you are not welcome to this land. You're not welcome to our place. You better go to your place. The way they will say do yourself before you come vex. They insult them, because that thing go just I don't know, my brothers and sisters. The thing they vex me sometimes, because no, they vex me if I say the way when they say they do, or you want not treat me like that. I know my rights. But if this one talk now, like this boy, now if you can't talk to them now, it go be like say you they insult Ogbalegbe. Some of them they even the curse and way people they insult them. Because the way they will treat you, they not treat you well. Then the something will come and you want me, you fight for your rights. Say, no treat me as a criminal, not be criminal. So my brothers and sisters, this invest me. I just put the video, Mona still watch her. So from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. One love, my brothers and sisters. Thank you for being there for me. God bless you all.
Don't worry about my name. What have I done? I'm lining up. Don't worry.
If you don't find anything lawful, go to Enfield Park and see the other people congregating. Go and harass them as well then, innit? And put them in handcuffs. Can't just put people in handcuffs for no reason. Do you understand? Go to the park where everyone's having a barbecue and handcuff them and search them same time. Hello? So then go to the park and handcuff them and search them. I'm allowed to speak. It's England. I've got my own voice. You can't say to me I can't speak now. Arrest me for speaking then. Arrest me for speaking. Go to the park and handcuff everybody who's in the park that's breaking corona. You can't say he's doing this to him now then. That's what his reason is for handcuffing the poor boy. Because of corona. Go to the park and handcuff them and search them as well. That's what I'm saying. It's not fair. I have a young son. I wouldn't like that to be my son. Handcuff. It's wrong. You shouldn't handcuff people. I'm not against you searching him if he's in the wrong. However, if you're saying under corona, go to the park and handcuff them at the same time when you're speaking to them.
It's under corona.
All right,
you are
cool.
not helping, are you?
I'm not helping.
No, you're not.
Okay. As long as it's not a unlawful arrest, I'm here.
It's not being arrested.
Searching. But he's handcuffed.
You know what you're going on about. I'll start
It's handcuffed.
conversation with you.
After you've searched him.
Finish my guy when I go shopping.
Can I put that in your pocket? Can I put that in your pocket or your bag? No, you don't drop it. I told you, that's the thing.
Cattle. I'd like to see if they do this to Joe Bloggs in Enfield Park today. Enfield Town Park. I'd like to know that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Look, hello everybody.
They were all
Would
together
you like to see? This boy was with the rest of them. Sorry, young man, but there's a reason why he's not in handcuffs, and this young man is in handcuffs, and this young man is in handcuffs. Excuse me, officer, could you please explain why he's in handcuffs, the black boy's in handcuffs, this black boy's in handcuffs, they was all together, and this man is not in handcuffs? Please explain that. Explain it. Sir, can you see the difference? He's not in handcuffs, and this young boy's in handcuffs, and this young boy's in handcuffs, but they was all together. Please explain that. Enfield. And they say that racism is not here no more. Why? Why is the two black boys in handcuffs and who's not? They was all together. Go on, explain that, officers. Explain that. Explain that, officers. Explain that. You can't. Fuckers, man. It's fucking bullshit. And you lot talk